Hey everybody! Today I am going to review on the top 5 best budget drone on Aliexpress. Well, I have been working on a list for a few weeks now, and I found a few drones that will be great for you. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 best budget drones on Aliexpress. I have compared all the reviews and the feedback. I have included link in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So, let's take a look. We can start things off with GRAYCEWODY KF102 GPS drone. The GRAYCEWODY drone is designed with an incredibly powerful brushless power system. This makes it perfect for those looking for a powerful drone that can handle any aerial task you put it through. With KF102 GPS drone, you can rest assured that your drone will return home safely if your battery runs low. Its innovative technology employs a low-power return mode which conserves your drone's energy and returns it to you quickly so that you can continue capturing amazing footage or photos. This drone is the next big thing in drone technology. Its runaway design makes it hard to lose, and its advanced features make it a must-have for any aspiring pilot. GRAYCEWODY's drone is perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage or racing through the skies. It has a one-key return feature that makes it easy to safely and quickly return to your launch location. Its durable construction ensures long-term use. Looking for a drone that can withstand even the strongest wind conditions? Look no further than GRAYCEWODY's new Level 7 Wind Resistance GPS drone. This drone has a capacity of 2,200 mAh powerful battery, which means you can fly for hours without running out of juice. Up next, we have CEVENNESFE Pigeon Pro Fast F4 drone. Introducing the CEVENNESFE Pigeon Pro Fast F4 drone. With its 2-axis self-stabilizing capability, the Fast F4 is perfect for capturing high-quality footage from any angle. The Fast F4 drone is a folding design drone that makes it easy to transport. You can fold it up and store it in a small space with 3 dimensions. The drone is powered by 4 propellers that move quickly and smoothly to create stunning aerial footage. With its extremely stable flight, you'll be able to capture smooth and professional-looking footage. Thanks to its advanced GPS, it's easy to keep your drone in line no matter how windy or turbulent the conditions get. With its 2-axis self-stabilizing mechanical gimbal, it ensures smooth and stable filming even in difficult conditions. It is perfect for pilots who demand the best wind resistance. With 7 levels of wind resistance, this quadcopter is almost impossible to be blown away by the wind, even in high wind conditions. It is also the perfect choice for anyone looking for a low noise level drone. With its sleek design and advanced features, this drone is perfect for beginner pilots and experts. Its powerful engines allow you to capture amazing photos and videos with ease, making it the perfect tool for capturing memories from all your adventures. It has a 3,500 mAh battery capacity, which gives you plenty of power to fly for up to 25 minutes without having to recharge. The very next drone we have is CSF F11S Pro Drone. Say goodbye to shaky footage with the new premium F11S Pro Drone 4K professional camera. This sleek and powerful device features electronic image stabilization. This camera will give your videos that extra edge, whether you're capturing stunning aerial shots or capturing intimate moments on the ground. The self-stabilized gimbal ensures smooth, stable footage even in windy or chaotic environments. With its 5x zoom lens, you'll be able to get close-up footage of your subjects without worrying about getting too far away. It has an advanced gesture photo mode. You can take amazing photos and videos with just a few simple gestures. It is also the perfect drone for amateur photographers. With a remote control distance of 3,000 meters, this camera is perfect for capturing stunning pictures and videos from a great distance, making it the perfect choice for any photographer. With its low battery return, this drone ensures that you will never have to worry about running out of power while in the air. It will automatically return while the power will be less than enough. With a flight time of about 30 minutes, it's perfect for capturing long exposures or capturing scenes from a great height. Furthermore, we have L900 Pro Drone in our list. The L900 Pro Drone is a top-of-the-line drone that offers 5G Wi-Fi function. With this feature, you can easily and quickly connect to your smartphone or tablet for intuitive control and high-definition footage. The drone's advanced camera system provides stunning visuals that will impress even the most demanding enthusiast. L900 Pro Drone is a brushless motor drone that offers extreme performance with its powerful motor. Its lightweight and sturdy build are perfect for aerial photography and videography. Its easy-to-use controller makes controlling the drone a breeze, even for beginners. It features a foldable arm that makes it easy to transport and store. You can take it without worrying much and carry it without that much hassle. You will be able to get precise position information about the drone. The drone will return to its home in the event of a battery drain or its signal weak when it is flying outside of range. You will never have to worry about losing the drone. It has a 2,200 mAh powerful battery capacity, which will allow you to capture longer flights with less need to recharge. The L900 Pro Drone is the perfect drone for any beginner or expert. With 28 minutes of fly time, it's perfect for capturing amazing aerial footage and photos. We can finish it up with new M1 Pro Drone. Introducing the M1 Pro Drone. This 110-degree tilt-angle drone is perfect for aerial photography, surveillance, etc. It has a 5G HD frequency band, and that's why you'll get a more friendly watching experience and you'll be able to enjoy an impressive service. It features 2-axis stabilization, making it easy to keep your footage smooth and steady, even in choppy weather or windy conditions. Its sleek design and powerful performance make it perfect for capturing stunning footage of your favorite places. It is one of the most user-friendly drones. It features an intuitive one-click operation that makes flying simple and fun. The gesture recognition feature helps the drone to capture something in response to some specific gesture you make. With this feature, you'll be able to capture amazing footage and photos with ease. You'll be able to share your footage with friends and family in minutes, making memories that will last a lifetime. Sharing the files is easy with it. The new M1 Pro Drone is designed with level 7 wind resistance to make sure you can fly in any condition. With its 30-minute flight time and continuous recording capabilities, this drone is perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos of your favorite locations. Thanks for watching. If you like the video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys later.